Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send money from Revolut to PayPal. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is link our Revolut card to PayPal. So log into PayPal and navigate to your wallet and link a new card. Now you need to enter your activated Revolut card details and confirm via PayPal's small authorization charge. This should be about $1. Once you have linked your card, you can use PayPal's Send Money feature to transfer your funds. PayPal will treat your Revolut card like any standard debit card for whatever payments you are making. You can now transfer from Revolut to your linked bank account first and then add funds to PayPal from the same bank account for lower fees. There are some limitations. Direct bank transfers are not supported for personal accounts. The currency conversion fees may apply and their billing addresses must match between the two platforms. On your business account, your Revolut business can link bank details in selected countries. It comes with enhanced withdrawal options to PayPal, and there is a better integration for frequent transfers if you are using the business account.